Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 7 best water gun on Aliexpress under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the water gun are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. Introducing the Glock Gen 2 electric water gun, the ultimate summer battle gear that's redefining water fights. Get ready for rapid-fire action, unmatched style, and non-stop fun. With its Super Soaker strobe flame effect, the Glock Gen 2 electric water gun brings next-level style to every battle. Powered by a lithium battery, it delivers rapid-fire auto-sync, so you'll always have the upper hand. Perfect for outdoor fun, the Glock Gen 2 electric water gun is built for speed, style, and power. Whether you're battling at the pool, park, or backyard, this water gun will take your summer games to the next level. Certified with CE standards, the Glock Gen 2 electric water gun is safe, durable, and easy to use. Just remember, don't shoot in the face and keep the fun flowing all summer long. This electric water gun has 4.9 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Recommended for ages 3 and up. This water gun is the perfect summer gift for kids, teens, and even adults who love action-packed fun. The Glock Gen 2 electric water gun, rapid-fire action, futuristic style, and endless fun. Gear up, take aim, and make this summer unforgettable. Introducing the AIBOULLY electric water pistol, the ultimate summer toy for outdoor adventures. Whether it's the beach, pool, or backyard, this high-capacity water pistol is here to take your summer battles to the next level. Designed for fun and performance, this AIBOULLY electric water pistol features a 26-foot range and a high-capacity water tank to keep the action going. Plus, it lights up for an extra splash of excitement during every battle. Perfect for summer parties, poolside fun, or beach adventures, this AIBOULLY electric water pistol is built to bring joy to every splash-filled moment. Its electric trigger makes firing effortless, so you can focus on the fun. This electric water gun has 4.8 rating and 2,000+ units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Safety matters. This AIBOULLY electric water pistol is certified with 3C and CE standards, ensuring it's safe, durable, and reliable for endless hours of play. Just remember, always aim away from faces. Recommended for ages 6 and up. This water pistol is the perfect gift for kids, teens, and even adults who love summer fun and outdoor action. This AIBOULLY electric water pistol, high capacity, long range, and endless fun. Beat the heat and make this summer unforgettable. Introducing the high-pressure electric water gun, the ultimate weapon for summer battles. With its cutting-edge design and powerful performance, it's time to dominate every water fight like never before. Built for action, the high-pressure electric water gun features a mechanical design that's as stylish as it is functional. With instant electronic suction, refilling is effortless, so you're always ready for battle. Prepare for battle with sniper-like precision and powerful continuous firing. Whether you're at the pool, park, or backyard, this water gun is designed to give you the upper hand in every water fight. This electric water gun has 4.1 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Get rid of geographical limits. The high-pressure electric water gun is perfect for any location, turning every space into your personal battlefield. Made with high-quality materials, this water gun is built to withstand even the most intense battles. It's the perfect summer gift for kids and teens who love adventure, competition, and fun. The high-pressure electric water gun, futuristic design, powerful performance, and endless fun. Gear up, take aim, and make every summer battle legendary. Introducing the AK-47 water gun, the ultimate water battle companion for kids who love action-packed fun. This isn't just any water gun. It's a children's splashball hydrogel bead electric gun toy designed to take your water fights to the next level. With its innovative hydrogel bead system, this AK-47 water gun is easy to load and even easier to use. Just fill it up and you're ready to go. This electric water gun has 5.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. The hydrogel beads are completely safe, eco-friendly, and perfect for hours of outdoor fun. Splash, soak, and laugh your way through the summer. Thanks to its electric firing mechanism, this water gel gun delivers rapid fire action, giving you the edge in every water battle. Whether it's a pool party, a backyard adventure, or just a sunny day, this AK-47 water gun is the perfect gift to keep kids active, happy, and entertained. Get your AK-47 water gun today and make every day a splash-tastic adventure. The ultimate toy for fun, laughter, and unforgettable memories. Introducing the CatXaa Repeater Water Gun, the ultimate high-pressure water cannon designed for endless fun. This isn't just a water gun, it's a next-level electric repeater water cannon. Powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, it delivers non-stop action with just the pull of a trigger. With its easy-to-use design, this CatXaa water gun is perfect for kids of all ages, from 3 to 14 and beyond. Just load it up, charge it, and you're ready to soak the competition. Thanks to its high-pressure system and automatic electric firing, this water gun packs serious power. Perfect for pool parties, backyard battles, or any summer adventure. This electric water gun has 4.2 rating and 1,000+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Safety is always a priority. This CatXaa Repeater water gun is CE certified, ensuring it's safe, durable, and perfect for hours of worry-free fun. Whether you're 3, 12, or even 14+, this CatXaa Repeater water gun is the perfect summer toy for kids, teens, and even the young at heart. It's more than a toy, it's a summer essential. Make this summer unforgettable with the CatXaa Repeater water gun. The perfect gift for kids, teens, and anyone who loves action-packed fun. Introducing the Jet Electric Water Gun, the ultimate summer companion for outdoor fun. Get ready to dominate the battlefield with cutting-edge features and endless excitement. With its double water jet system and electric automatic firing, the Jet Electric Water Gun delivers unmatched power and precision. Lightweight and portable, it's built for fast-paced action wherever you go. This electric water gun has 4.9 rating and 1,000+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Perfect for the beach, pool, or backyard, this water gun turns every outdoor activity into an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're teaming up or going solo, victory is in your hands. Designed with safety in mind, the Jet Electric Water Gun features a reliable lithium battery, waterproof electronics, and CE certification for worry-free fun. Always remember to play responsibly. The Jet Electric Water Gun, your passport to the ultimate summer showdown. Get yours today and make every water battle legendary. Introducing the Gatling Electric Water Gun by Mokidodo, the ultimate water blaster built for non-stop fun this summer. Whether you're at the pool, beach, or backyard, get ready to dominate every water battle with style and power. With its Gatling-inspired design, this electric water gun delivers continuous shooting for maximum impact. Powered by a lithium battery, you'll enjoy hours of high-powered water battles without missing a beat. Perfect for all ages 12 and up. The Gatling Electric Water Gun is designed for sports-themed fun and intense summer battles. Its automatic water squirting system ensures every shot is powerful and precise. This electric water gun has 5.0 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this electric water gun to you. Certified with CE standards, the Gatling Electric Water Gun is built to last, giving you a reliable and safe toy for endless summer fun. Just connect the water source, power it up, and let the battles begin. With its light-up feature and iconic rotating barrel, this water gun isn't just a toy, it's a statement. Whether it's for a birthday, a pool party, or just a day of fun, the Gatling Electric Water Gun is the perfect gift for kids, teens, and adults alike. The Gatling Electric Water Gun. Continuous shooting, powerful performance, and endless fun. Gear up, take aim, and make this summer the best one yet. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.